Are you tired of self-sabotaging, low confidence, and feeling invisible to the opposite sex? If yes, this is for you. I'm going to show you the system that I use to unscrew my whole entire life and lose over 100 pounds in 10 months without overthinking diet plans, splits, or recovery hacks, starving on keto or water fasts, binge eating burritos at 2 a.m. because you had a rough day. This is raw. This is real. And it fucking works. My story. From 300 pounds to be built, let me take you back. I was 17, 303 pounds. Couldn't fit into regular clothes. Always had to shop in the back corner of department stores where they kept the big and tall section. Except I was just big and ashamed. Every time I asked for my size, someone chuckled or said, "We don't carry that." I avoided mirrors. I wore hoodies in 90-degree heat. Baggy clothes. I sat out at pool parties, beach trips, even group photos. Why? Because I hated being seen. My thighs rubbed together until they burned. My stomach sucked my diaphragm, so I'd be gasping for air just trying to tie my shoes. I couldn't fit in the public bathrooms, roller coasters, or even some cars. The worst part? Nobody respected me. And I didn't even respect myself. I pretended I didn't care, but deep down, I hated every reflection, every photo, every time someone whispered and I knew it was about me. That's when I hit rock bottom. And that's when I built the system that changed everything. The WMNR system. W, workout tuning. M, mindset mastery. N, nutrition nursing. R, recovery redefined. This isn't a quick fix plan. It's a battle-tested blueprint for permanent transformation. Now let's break it down. Step 1, workout tuning. You don't need a 6-day push-pull leg split. You need a war plan. Start with a basic savage movements. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, burpees, jump rope, hill sprints, shadow box. Anything that will get you conditioned. Train like you're fighting for life, because in a way, you really are. Circuit style, 30, 45 minutes, high intensity, minimal rest. Forget the fancy gym fluff. Just go to war with your body every day until it taps out. Step 2, mindset mastery. If you stay fat, it's not because of food, it's because of your mindset. You convince yourself, I've always been this way. My genetics are trash. I'll start Monday. Bro, fuck that. You need to silence the weak inner voice that tells you to binge, skip the gym, stay comfortable. Instead, create the 2.0 version, the stronger, leaner, disciplined beast inside of you. And every time you want to quit, ask, will my 2.0 self-respect this decision? If the answer is no, you already know what to do. Step 3, nutrition nursing. If it didn't grow, roam, or swim, don't eat it. Forget the fads. Here's what really works. Protein with every meal. 1 ingredient whole foods. Stop snacking between meals. Drink more water than you think you need. Track what you eat, not to obsess, but to gain control. Stop eating to feel something. Start eating to fuel something. Your body is a machine. Start treating it like one. Step 4, recovery redefined. This one gets ignored the most. You think it's weak to rest. You think alpha men don't sleep? Bullshit. Recovery is where you grow, where fat burns, where muscle repairs, where your nervous system resets. Do this. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, like it's non-negotiable. No screens 1 hour before bed. Stretch, hydrate, magnesium, foam roll, cold showers, breath work, stillness. Rest is not laziness. It's the reload before battle. You only got so much time to decide. If you're ready for this, you already spent so much time. You either just change your life or you wasted more time making more excuses. You don't need another YouTube guru. You don't need more free tips. You just need to act. And this system is very simple. It's raw. It's uncomfortable, but it works. I used this same exact system to lose over 100 pounds in 10 months. I've helped others do the same. And with this system, trust and believe it can help you too. But you got to ask yourself this. When are you finally going to stop making those excuses for yourself? Because the biggest problem is you stuck inside your mindset. Your mindset rules you. When are you going to finally stop calling yourself the fat loser and start to look at yourself as someone with potential to change? Because you're going to waste all that potential hating yourself. No confidence. Thinking about the woulda, shoulda, coulda. Instead of wasting your time, shoulda, woulda, coulda, you should pick up a piece of paper and start writing down what you truly need to do. What is the biggest things that is holding you back from starting that thing that you need to start? It's all in your head. And once you realize it's all in your head, you need to take action now. There is no Monday. There is no Tuesday. Starting next week, next month, next year, you need to start today. Start right now. Why waste any more time? And then when you do start that thing, you really need to start tracking daily. You need to start preparing for war daily. Instead of the fluff, super special exercises, get raw, get simple. Real movements aimed for survival. You are training for war. You're training for battle. You're not training to look good for social media. You want to train good to be able to perform outside, be able to outperform you day by day. And once you start to see yourself improve day by day, that's when true results will show. All you have to do is start day one and continuously start that thing. Be consistent. Believe in yourself. It's a total mindset shift. Going from hating yourself and not valuing yourself to finally believing that you can do this. The light is at the end of the tunnel. But when you gonna finally tell your inner bitch to shut up and finally start that thing? You only got so much time in this world. Why waste it being a little bitch that shoulda, woulda, coulda? And the worst of all, not even be respected. People still look down on you. You already wasted your potential. You already old, shriveled up, and now look at you. I should have did that, nephew. Don't be that guy. You are that guy. Unleash the inner warrior within you. Because trust and believe, I've been in your shoes. And everybody got what it takes. I can help you. If you want it bad enough, here's what you can do. Click the link below and book a call with me. And I trust and believe I will unfuck your body. Let's rewire your life. This is your moment. Don't let it slip. Now let's go.